Hi there and welcome back. Today I just want to do a quick video on AMC and my trades on AMC as well. But before I continue, just want to let you know that I am not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only. I also started a Patreon page where like-minded people can get together and talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, options, and just share ideas with each other and alert each other on stocks that are rising. Like AMC, I knew about AMC for a while now, even when it was around $3, but no one to share that with. So I just want to be able to share alerts with people. So if you guys are interested, you can check out my link down below. So AMC here closed at 805. Let's just take a look at the 3 months chart. Everyone knows about AMC because of Reddit, and it's been all over the news. We started to pick up a lot of momentum back in January. Let's just take a look here. So we can see on January 25th that it was getting a lot of volume. The 26th, a lot of volume. And then next thing you know, on the 27th, it went all the way to 2036. You can see this spike up here in volume. Just short squeeze all the way here. And short squeeze because there was a high short interest and volume, which caused it a lot of buying pressure. And then next thing you know, it started to come down because a lot of brokerages were restricting the amount of shares that people can buy, and Robinhood actually prevented people from buying AMC. And then as we get closer to February, the volume just died down. It was trading in this range, 550 and 650 for about a week or so, and then another spike. We see the volume goes up, and then we go all the way to $11. But then we came back down. I was hoping it would continue to go up like we did back in January. But then the volume was not as much as January. You can see the gray bar, I don't know if you can see it, is not as high as the volume back in January. So in order to create that short squeeze, we need a lot of buying pressure and we need a lot of high short interest. And now we were just consolidating here from $8 and $9, and the volume has declined. So a few things to know. New York is going to open movie theaters starting this month. They have earnings March 10th. We shouldn't expect too much from it because movie theaters were closed. And then we're still waiting for LA to open up. And I think that once LA opens up, the stock price will continue to go higher. It's already at $8 and it's staying around $8 range right now. So that's a good sign. It can only go higher from here. And it's not too late to get in because you don't want to be getting in when it goes up. You want to be able to get in now. And if it does dip, you just buy on the dip because AMC was able to raise enough money to prevent them from going bankrupt. And we all know a lot of people do like going to the movies, even though it is expensive, but people enjoy watching movies on a big screen TV. I know I do. Now would be the perfect time, or you can wait until after earnings to see where the price is at. But usually there's a lot of momentum before earnings. So let's say you get in on Monday, it's at $8. Before earnings day, there's usually a spike in buying pressure. And then sometimes it just comes back down. So that's something to think about. Let's take a look at my positions here. I do have 800 shares at 713. And I just want to show you my previous orders if you guys are interested in that. So we can see back in, this was April. This was right after the pandemic happened. I bought 1,000 shares at 263. So 263. I made roughly about $6,000. I sold it. You can see 3,000. I sold it. I bought again. Another 3,000. Sold it again. And I continued on throughout April. And then I stopped. I stopped buying AMC. You can see April. I did a lot of day trading there. And then May, You can see May, it went all the way up to $6. I think they announced something big and it spiked up. And then it went back down again. And then September, I got back in. December, I got back in again. I decided to buy leap calls. This was back in December. So this one, I made a good amount of money when it spiked all the way to $20. You can see here, I sold it for $10,000. If I had more leap calls back then, I would have definitely made a lot of money. You can see I first bought this in October. I made some money, and then December was when I started to accumulate calls because I knew that AMC was going to open up eventually, and you want to get in before the news comes out, before everyone starts buying into it. And it worked out. I'm still holding on to 3 contracts here, and it's worth $1,279. Unfortunately, these 3 contracts were worth $4,000, but they don't expire until 2022. So I'm good. I still have plenty of months to go. So things like that, I want to be able to share with people, or vice versa. Just want to be able to grow our accounts with people, because trading and investing can be lonely if you're doing it by yourself. So let me know what you think of AMC. It's definitely a buy now. They've been getting a lot of exposure lately, and everyone knows about AMC now. And that's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comments below if you're holding onto any of these stocks or what you think about them. And also do consider joining the Patreon page. I do share my updates in the Market Gold Investor tier. And I am just trying to find people where we can talk about stocks, cryptocurrency, and options, and just growing as a community and growing our accounts together. Trading, investing can be lonely, and you just want to be able to do it with a community. So do consider joining the Patreon page. Thanks so much. Hi there. If you are interested in helping out the channel, you can sign up for Webull if you haven't already. They are currently offering 2 free stocks now. It used to be 4, so you don't want to wait until it gets to 1 free stock or no stocks at all. So you get 1 free stock when you open up a Webull account. And when you deposit $100 or more, you get 1 more free stock, which is valued between $8 and $1,600. And if you are transferring from another brokerage, they will reimburse you the fees up to $100. And you will also receive a complimentary 3-month subscription to Level 2 Events NASDAQ Total View from the day you sign up. So guys, what are you waiting for? 2 free stocks are waiting for you. Thanks again.